Hello and welcome to my channel. I wanted to teach you a little bit about how you can make your own DIY foaming shower or bath soap. This is something that we love to do in our home just because the kids are getting older and they are taking way longer showers, and I find that we are going through bar soap like you cannot believe. And with the commercial bar soaps out there, there's a lot of synthetic chemicals in them that actually dry and strip the skin, even though they may say they're gentle. So we have found a way to move to some products that are way more beneficial to our skin and our overall health. So and for those of us who like to do things easy button and just order, that's great. But sometimes I get a DIY yin. So I'm going to show you what we do at our home. So first of all, the products that I use are Ylang Ylang essential oils. They are the best. So if you're looking for something that's pure, you definitely want to be using them. You want to know what's going on your skin because our skin is the largest organ that we have. Everything that we put on our skin goes into our bloodstream within 26 seconds, and it's in all of the cells in our body. So it's really, really important that we don't be putting harmful or harsh chemicals on our body. And think about it, when we're showering and we're bathing, our pores open up, especially if with young ones, especially babies. You don't want their developing central nervous system, their brains, their reproductive organs being affected by chemicals. So the good news is we've got some great tools for you. So what I'm doing today is I've got this foaming hand pump container. You can use one of two things. Some people like to use Castile soap, I don't know how to pronounce it. If you do like that, Dr. Bronner's is a good one. Make sure that you use the unscented. I have this Quinn's organic unscented, which is good too. But what I have found is these soaps do strip. They are a little harsh for sensitive skin people. So I'm going to be using Ylang Ylangling's bath and shower gel. This is unscented, so I can create the fragrance that I like for our family. And have something that's that. So I'm going to use the unscented. This one's got all the emollients in it, and it's non-toxic, plant-based, no synthetics, no sulfates, no parabens, petrochemicals, synthetic fragrances, no artificial anything. So it's very gentle. We've been using this for years, and you can just add 5 to 15 drops of your favorite essential oils to the bottle. But this is a gel itself. When you put it into the foaming hand soap, it stretches this way farther down the line. So if you're budget friendly or looking to, stretch your dollar, this is something you may want to consider. I like foaming. It's fun. I do use this straight up with a loofah poof, but this is just a different way. So you take your gel, and you just go ahead and squirt some at the bottom. This is no scientific anything. You don't need a lot. So I'm just going to put it at the bottom. Okay, after that, I have found a recipe for a blend called Aveda Shampure. I love Aveda products, but I don't want the toxins. So this one has lavender. I'm putting 2 drops of everything in there, so you're gonna just have to bear with me. Rosemary, 2 drops. Geranium. And geranium's real good for the hormones and the skin. Lavender's very calming and soothing for the skin. Orange, it's uplifting. Bergamot, which is one of my personal favorites. It's a floral, like a citrus actually, and I love it in my tea, and I wear it like perfume, good for the mood. Frankincense, which is good for mood uplifting and meditation or prayer. Ylang Ylang, which is really, really good, again, for emotions. I tend to work on emotional level for myself, and this is gonna not only help me, but the kids. Sometimes they don't know how to express their emotions, and sometimes this helps. And Petitgrain, which is a part of the orange family. After you do that, if you're using the Castile soap, which I did not use, I highly recommend putting in something like a jojoba or a vitamin E because you won't have enough moisture in that. And you're putting this on your body. But because I used the Ylang Ylang, it's already got the emollients in there. So from this point, all you do is you get your water. This is distilled water. You can use regular tap, that's fine. And you pour it to that point. Leave enough space so that you can put your pump in there and it doesn't overflow. And my pump fell on the ground. Here it is. I'm putting it in here. You can slap a pretty label on there if you want. I just shake it up a little bit. And I'm gonna show you what comes out. That's an amazing, it smells so good. Oh my gosh. So you guys, the sky's the limit on all of your different ingredients. And right here, this is so soft. You can use it for hand soap at the sink. You could keep it in your shower. But enjoy making this. I'm gonna go ahead and put a link up for these bottles. They're from Amazon. So if you wanna grab these or if you wanna get the oils, I'll put that link up there too. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit thumbs up if you want more videos like this.